Guys, hope you all are doing well. I am here with channel named English with Sylvia Sheila. I want to teach you with love and care. This video is second part of my former one. Let's start 6. Marketable, বাজারযোগ্য. Rima's new business plan is marketable. Number 7. Reachable, পৌঁছানোযোগ্য. The destination is far away from here. Understandable, বোধগম্য. The matter is very easy and understandable. Number 9. Playable, খেলার যোগ্য. The playground is muddy but playable. Number 10. Considerable, বিবেচনাযোগ্য. Your opinion is considerable. Bye. See you next time.